Hello and welcome. Today's quick video will explore 5 must-visit attractions in Canberra. Whether you're a local or a first-time visitor, there's so much to see and do here. Our first stop was supposed to be Telstra Tower. However, it is currently closed and has been since 2021 due to some unfortunate comments labelling it an embarrassment, which I think we can all agree it certainly looks like. Telstra only made $2 billion, which went to its shareholders, so perhaps they can't afford to fix it. Moving on, the first attraction we recommend is the Australian War Memorial, along with Anzac Parade. But remember, dickheads, no burnouts on Anzac Parade during summer nights. The second attraction is the National Museum of Australia, featuring spectacular exhibits, even its own Uluru. Maybe you can climb this one. Next up is the Cotter, which boasts several great green picnic areas and swimming holes near an over-budget Cotter Dam, located around 30 minutes from Canberra, accessible from either Western Creek or Tuggeranong in a loop-style road. Don't forget to check out Timberbilla Nature Reserve, Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex, and much more. This brings us to our fourth attraction, the Stromlo Observatory. Located closer to Western Creek, this wonderful site offers stunning valley views, rebuilt after the devastating 2003 bushfires, which is still one of Australia's most devastating single-day events in our history. These pictures just do not do it justice, so go check it out for yourself. Last but not least is the epic showground. Well, home to summer nights. Yeah, baby. It takes place during the first week of January, showcasing horsepower heaven and demonstrating to the world how it's done right. Keep an eye out for our live videos across multiple platforms, with uploads multiple times a day from Thursday to Sunday. Check the video details for our links to our socials. Ask some questions. Tell us what you want to see and we'll provide it. There are many other exciting attractions throughout Canberra. Check the details below and comment with your favourites.